Last year we had a lot of wasp get in this vent because it's missing one of the vent louvers, so I'm going to replace it. We got a stainless steel this year. Let's take this vent off and let's see how many wasp nests are in here. Let me show you how little room we have at the top. So this is a 6-inch pipe, a duct, and yeah, I've got barely like not even a half an inch before that siding. So I think we're going to overlap on this. So the duct is a little bit, the duct is 6 inches, but the vent ductwork there, whatever it's called, is just under 6 inches. So you should carefully be able to slide this in. I couldn't find anything tighter than this, so we are going to hit the siding on there, so we'll have to caulk that. Looks pretty good though. I couldn't find really a mounting block that would fit this vent the way I like, because the vent really comes up to right about here, and so it doesn't leave me much room. So I think we're just going to cut some of this siding, and we're going to mark it first with a pencil, and then we're going to cut it. In order to cut this, I did pick up a diamond blade here, so we'll see how that works to cut this fiber cement board. The idea is, instead of having a mounting board, it's going to go through here and kind of sit, make this more flat. I think we're just going to cut around here so that this will recess a little bit, and that will cause this to be a little bit higher down here and deeper over here. But we can use caulk to kind of adjust that, whereas right now this is a little too large. So we're going to mark this with a pencil around here and cut. Okay, let's start cutting. Okay, it looks like I need to go a little deeper on this side. I'm trying not to overcut. I don't want to cut too deep, so I'm going slow. Looking good. Okay, that's in there. I've got it settled real close in here, but over here it is sticking out just slightly because this duct is not flush with the wall. So but that's minuscule. We can caulk that easy. So everything else is pretty tight. That diamond blade made real quick work of this fiber cement. I was impressed. Okay, let's start the caulking. Okay, YouTube, what do you think? Not perfect, but pretty good, right? So we painted once before the caulk, we painted again after the caulk. We cut the fiber cement with a diamond blade, and it turned out really well. I don't think any water or bugs are getting in there. This vent also has a screen whereas the previous one didn't. So I think we're in much better shape now. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Homestead, y'all.